from the 2nd of the 5th month of 1446. The wand of the purple sphere, drawn down from heaven to earth, we ascend with projections to establish worth. Etheric worlds form connections to more than the representative of oak, hazel, holly, yew, ash, pine, apple, alder, willow, hawthorn, rowan, birch, elm, whitethorn, blackthorn, elder, white hazel, white poplar, arbutus, beech, fir, fern, bog myrtle, gorse, briar, heath, ivy, broom, gooseberry, reed, soft birch, other bushes, and other trees. Herein we transform to match our real potentiality.